Hanji, good morning to all. Today we are discussing the experiment to compare the EMF of two given primary cells, Daniell and Leclanché cell, by using the potentiometer. For doing this experiment, we need the different apparatus. The apparatus is one is our potentiometer that consists of 4 wire segments and the 2 terminals and a scale with the 2 gradation. First is one is here 1 200 and the second is again second side 1 200 for finding the readings. When we moving the jockey over this from this terminal by measuring this on this scale, we have the reading on that particular side. But when it go to the second wire, we have to calculate the reading in the second wire. Then by using this is second one, and next is third wire to finding the balancing length, and now this is the fourth wire that is up to 400 centimeter to the second terminal. And we require this resistance box, jockey, galvanometer, two-way key. Now this is a two-way key, two-way for that. Two-way key, Daniell cell, Leclanché cell, battery eliminator, one-way key for the flow of current, ammeter with suitable requirements, and a rheostat for changing the resistance or the current value. By using this circuit diagram, this is our circuit diagram, that is the potentiometer terminal, this first terminal, 2 positive terminal of cells and the battery eliminator positive, and the second part of 2 cells connected with the two-way key, galvanometer, resistance box and jockey. And this one is called the auxiliary circuit here. Auxiliary circuit that consists rheostat, ammeter, one-way key and the battery eliminator, which is called the driver battery, or which is give the current to the for whole circuit. Before to start for taking the readings, first of all we have to take the least count of ammeter, least count of voltmeter, that is measure the voltage or terminal voltage after the experiment of the 2 cells. Then potential difference across the battery, which voltage that we have to give the battery, Leclanché cell, these 2 values are noted with the help of a voltmeter. Then we have this observation table for finding the EMF of 2 cells. Here we have ammeter reading. First, when we take the first cell in the circuit, we take first reading without taking any resistance from the resistance box. Then second reading by taking 2000 resistance from the second from this resistance box, and mean length of these 2 readings. Then for the same current we take the cell E2 in the circuit and repeat the experiment. Then by changing the 2 values of current, we note the corresponding these balancing length, and at the end we find the ratio of EMF of 2 cells. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ratio ਅਸੀਂ find out ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. Now how we start this experiment? For taking this, by taking the values, by giving some current here, by changing this rheostat, we give some current value, by measuring its least count, we give some current value. Now we put this key in one terminal by keeping this Leclanché cell in the circuit. Now no resistance is removed from the resistance box, and we put the jockey here to see the deflections of galvanometer at first, now at second, and now we start the experiment by moving the jockey over this potentiometer wire up to this. Then we find second this, then the value of galvanometer, this one like this, slide this, and this is the null point. And for null point we note the reading here from this potentiometer, the balancing length here. Now this is 100 meter wire, 200 meter wire. The 200 has to be completed. Now this one we moving in this side, so this is correspond to this scale, that is 34. So our reading become 234 for first balancing length. Now remove this 2000 from this resistance box for the same current value for the same cell, and again find the balancing length, that is nearable to the same value by removing this 2000. Now in first reading, ammeter reading, first balancing length, then second balancing length by removing this 2000 reading. Now for the same current we put the second cell in the circuit and again put the 2000 resistance box here. No resistance has to be removed from the resistance box. Again by taking this value here and here, find this, see the deflections that must be opposite to the two terminal, and find the balancing length. Then again by removing the 2000 for the same cell and for the same current, find the second balancing length. So by changing these current values, now we change the current value, and again by change the current value, we again put this key in the first cell, Leclanche cell in the circuit. No key has to be removed from the resistance box, and again find the balancing length for the second value of current. Remove this 2000 and again find the value for this, and note here these two values. Now when we again for the same current remove this key from this and put in the second gap by taking this second cell into the circuit and repeat the experiment. Then for the third observation we change the current, repeat the experiment for the two cells, and at last when we getting the mean over here E1 by E2, and we get the mean value of E1 and E2. Now what is the use of voltmeter? By taking this voltmeter we find the potential difference manually for these two cells, not the potential difference, we find the EMF of two cells, and voltmeter for that, this is the negative terminal, positive terminal, negative terminal of Leclanche, positive terminal of Leclanche. And for the voltmeter, this is our voltmeter to find the EMF of two cells by connecting this negative to negative and positive to positive. We note the EMF of these two cells and we put these values here, that is E1 by E2, and calculate this ratio by comparing the EMF of two cells. And this is our experiment, that how the EMF of two cells is find out by using the potentiometer. Okay, thank you.